Looking for the best window air conditioners to keep cool this summer? Ice Cube. In this video, we've rounded up the top-performing, energy-efficient, and budget-friendly window AC units to help you beat the heat. Sun with face, don't buy before watching. Let's dive in. Number 1. Midea 12,000 BTU Smart Window Air Conditioner. Folks looking for a quiet air conditioner with the power to cool larger rooms will want to consider the Midea 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. This machine features a U-shaped design that separates the noisy parts from the interior of the home. This allows the unit to run noticeably quieter on the inside while still pumping out plenty of cool air. It's rated for rooms up to 550 square feet. It boasts 3 modes: fan, cool, and dehumidifier. This unit comes with a bracket that adjusts to fit the window and the house, as well as all sorts of foam pieces of different densities for sealing out noise and the elements. This unit also features an included remote control, a downloadable app, and Wi-Fi compatibility. We found the Midea 12,000 BTU air conditioner to be an excellent unit. Number 2. Midea 8,000 BTU U-shaped air conditioner. With its innovative U-shaped design, this Midea air conditioner solves one of the biggest gripes about window air conditioners: noise. Rather than fit in the window space, requiring the window to be open a foot or more, this 8,000 BTU model straddles the window, allowing it to close between the blower and the compressor. With the noisy compressor on the other side of the glass, this air conditioner produces 42 decibels, which is slightly noisier than a library. This design also has the effect of creating a much tighter seal between the window and the outside, making it 35% more energy efficient than standard window units, which helps to offset its significantly higher price tag. In addition to having all the requisite modes of a higher-end air conditioner, including sleep, energy saver, and auto shutoff, this model is also a smart device, capable of connecting to a home's Wi-Fi for control via a smart device or virtual assistant. In testing, we found that installing this air conditioner took some effort. It comes with several brackets, pieces of hardware, foam strips, and other components that are a little confusing, even with the QR code directions. However, once installed, this machine is easy to enjoy. It's so quiet that it's barely noticeable. Number 3. Windmill 8,000 BTU Smart Air Conditioner. Anyone shopping for an air conditioner that can cool a medium-sized room without making much noise at all will want to consider the Windmill Smart Air Conditioner. This model features an 8,000 BTU output and can cool rooms up to 350 square feet while producing as little as 42 decibels of sound. This made the unit quieter than the other sounds in the house, which measured at around 50 decibels. To help keep things even quieter, the Windmill comes with several pieces of foam as well as customizable foam panels that insulate both sound and airflow while improving the overall look. This unit features Wi-Fi compatibility and works with the Windmill app. While we like being able to adjust it from our phone or control it with voice commands by connecting it to Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, it also includes a remote with an easy-to-read digital display. Number 4. Midea 5,000 BTU Easy Cool Window Air Conditioner. Thanks to its compact size, this Midea model is a great option for smaller windows that don't open wide enough to handle larger units. This window air conditioner measures just 12.05 inches long by 15.98 inches wide by 15.35 inches deep, allowing it to fit a window with vertical openings as small as 13 inches and as wide as 16 inches. Despite its diminutive size, it packs a punch with a 5,000 BTU energy output that allows it to cover up to 150 square feet. While not Energy Star certified, its energy efficiency rating of 11 makes it one of the more cost-conscious window air conditioning units on the market. A rotating knob adjusts temperatures between 1 and 7, while a second knob allows you to toggle between 2 fan-only speeds and 2 cooling fan speeds. Number 5. Black Plus Decker BD10 WT6 10,000 BTU. The Black Plus Decker BD10 WT6 is a 10,000 BTU window air conditioner designed to cool spaces up to 450 square feet. It features a 12.0 CER rating for energy efficiency and uses eco-friendly R32 refrigerant, which has zero ozone impact and improves efficiency by up to 10% compared to R410A. The unit includes electronic controls with a digital display, a full-function remote, adjustable thermostat, sleep mode, energy saver mode, timer/clock function, and a fan-only option. It also has a removable, washable filter and auto restart capability. The BD10WT6 operates at 115V, 60 Hz, drawing 7.5A, and comes with mounting hardware for easy installation.